Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to draw a 3D sketch using Fusion 360 software. So this is the image for sample 3D model and we have to draw this model using Fusion 360 software. So before drawing this 3D model we have to draw a sketch and then by using extrude command we have to convert it to 3D model. So here we will draw this part first. We will start from the center of the circle and we will draw a sketch for this part. So click on this plus sign to start the sketch. Okay, then it will ask for the plane on which we have to draw the sketch. So select this plane, then we will draw these circles. So diameter of inner circle, here it is given 30 mm and diameter of outer circle it is 60 mm. So we will draw two concentric circles. So take circle command and draw a circle of diameter 30 mm, then draw another circle diameter 60. So we have drawn two circles. Now we will draw these lines. So this total distance is 75 mm and we will draw up to this. So this thickness is given 25. So we will add this 25. So we will draw up to this. So 75 plus 25 it is 100. So take line command and from this we can draw a line, horizontal line of 100 mm length. Then from this point in upward direction it is 60 mm which is equal to diameter. Then from this point tangent to the circle. So in this way we have created the sketch for that part. Now we want to remove the part of this circle. So use trim command and select that unwanted part. Okay, and now profile for this sketch is completed. Now finish sketch and use extrude command. Okay, now here we have to select the profile which we want to extrude. Now by default it will take upward direction, but here for this model this part we will create by using mirror command, and for that purpose we need one plane at center of this part. So I need to extrude this part 12.5 above and 12.5 below in both directions symmetric, so that plane will be at center. So here I will select symmetric and I will enter whole distance, that is 25. So here we can enter the 25. So it will extend in both direction and total length is 25. So press OK. So to view this 3D model you can press shift button and then scroll button and then you move your mouse to view the 3D model in different angle. Okay, so this part is completed. Now I have to draw this part. So I will draw one part, and to draw another part I will use mirror command. So I will start from this. Okay, so already this line is extended up to this. So I will start to draw this. So here I can look at the center of the circle which is at 135 mm from the center. Okay, so draw the sketch for this part. So here click on create sketch, then select this face, this surface as the plane on which we have to draw the sketch. So on this plane I have to draw the sketch. Okay, so here I have to locate the center which is at 135 mm from the center. So draw circle, its diameter again it is 30 and another concentric circle of diameter 60. Now the distance between these two it is given which is 135. So select dimension command, select this center and select this center and give the dimension. So it is 135. Okay, Now these two centers are in horizontal plane. To apply the constraint, select this constraint horizontal vertical, then select this center and this center, so it will be aligned in horizontal, and you can see it will become black, means it is fully constrained now. Now I have to draw a line from this. Already we have drawn this point, so from this point onward again 25. So I will draw that line up to here first, and then from this point onward it is 25. From this point onward it is 25. Then again take line command. From this I have drawn this line, then again from this it is tangent. Okay. So here this line is not fully constrained, so select this line, make it horizontal, so it will be fully constrained now. Okay, so I have drawn plane at this location. If you want to visualize, then you can click on this home so that you can see the view. Okay, now here, before extruding this, now see, this is the sketch. So this is the timeline and this is the second sketch. So this is the sketch, and in this sketch I want to remove this portion. So for that purpose use trim command and remove that portion. Okay, and then you can click finish sketch, and then we can use the extrude command. Now here we have to select this profile. Okay, so we will select this both profiles, and here we have to extrude in upward direction by 25 mm. So only one direction we have to mention, and distance is equal to 25. Okay, so it will be extruded like this. So you can see here this portion is completed. Now we can draw this lower portion by using mirror command. So click on this create panel, and here see, here it is the mirror command. So select that mirror command, this window will open, and here it is the bodies. So I have to select the body, so click on this and select the body. Then I have to select the mirror plane. Now as I told you, we have drawn this part on either side of that horizontal plane. So select that plane, okay, and click OK. So again you can press shift button and scroll button and move your mouse to view from different direction. So you can see this 3D model is created. Now we have to draw its front view, top view and side view on A3 size sheet. So for that purpose select this design, then drawing and from design. Okay, so select this from design. So it will ask for name for the sheet. So it is 3D model, it is 3D model, and save this. Then here it will ask for which type of sheet. So sheet size is A3, all units are in mm, so just click on OK. So another window will open, and here we can see this is the layout of A3 size sheet, and here it is asking for place the base view. So I will click here. Okay, and here by using this option we can project the views. So click on this, then select this and move the cursor in downward direction. So we can see the top view. Then if you move in this side, then we can see the side view. Similarly, if you move the cursor inclined, then we can see the isometric view like this. Press escape. Okay, now suppose we want to visualize this object as 3D model. So double click on this, and here we can select the shaded image like this. So it will appear the shaded image like this, and click on close. Now here we can give the different dimensions. So I will give the circular dimension in this top view. So here it is dimension option. So select this dimension, click this circle and give dimension 30 mm diameter. Then this radius, it is 30 mm for this. Similarly, this is 30 mm. This radius, it is 30 mm. Then distance between these two center, it is 135. Okay. Then here we can give the thickness. This is 25. This also 25. Here we can give total height like this. So in this way we can give different dimensions. Also we can edit this title box. So just press escape key to exit from the dimension and double click in this window. So here automatically my name is coming. So here department we can enter, mechanical. Here technical reference we can give SMD practical. Then the name of the file, it is automatically as a title. This is sheet number 2. So enter sheet number 2. Okay, and click on finish properties. And finally we can export this into PDF. So you can give the name 3D model. Save. So this is the PDF that we created now. So in this way you can also take any sample model and prepare by using Fusion 360 software. Thank you.